Welcome to 1 Minute Mastery. If you've been to our micro-learning channel, you know this is a bit of a new look. I'm Jonas, and today I'm going to be talking about how social media platforms make money. Do you think social media is free? Think again. The real cost isn't money, it's your attention. A decade ago, the average American spent nearly 5 hours a day watching TV, seeing around 100 ads per hour. Today, social media and streaming have taken over, with people spending over 6 hours a day consuming digital content. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube aren't just entertaining you, they're monetizing your screen time. Every scroll, like, and video you watch feeds algorithms designed to keep you engaged, because the longer you stay, the more ads they can sell. Advertisers spent over $600 billion last year to capture your attention, making it one of the most valuable commodities in the world. But here's the opportunity. You can do the same. If you run a business, attention is your most powerful asset. Instead of just being a consumer, position yourself as a creator. Post content that educates, entertains, or solves a problem. Build trust with your audience, and when the time is right, sell them a product or service. The same platforms making billions from your attention are also giving small businesses free access to the same audience, whether it's viral TikToks, informative Instagram Reels, or engaging LinkedIn posts. The key is simple. Capture attention, keep it, and convert it. Because in the digital economy, the question isn't just who has money, it's who has attention. Thank you for giving us some of your attention and for supporting 1 Minute Mastery.